Hey everybody, Sal Governelli.
Big meals.
Small presents.
Today I'm making cheesy and creamy penne alla vodka in one pot. You know, when you hear alla vodka, people have a bunch of different recipes and ideas, and it doesn't have to be messy. I'm going to show you how to do it real quick, real simple, and you're gonna love it. There's the pasta timer, I gotta go. But if you do love it, or if you don't, who cares? Be sure to subscribe for many more great recipes. First, you're going to boil 1 pound of penne pasta, strain it out, throw it back into the pot on low heat, and from there, you're going to add 2 cups of your favorite tomato sauce. I love Victoria. Then 1 cup of heavy cream, then a 1/4 cup of Pecorino Romano cheese, and then 1.5 cups of 4-blend shredded pizza cheese. 4 pizza cheese blend. Stir that up under low heat and keep stirring it until it gets nice and creamy and thick like that. Look how good that looks. All in one pot. Cheesy, creamy penne alla vodka. Add about a tablespoon of basil and you're ready to eat.